Let me show you how to use Clay to find new hires in any company. What you want to do is go to Signals and click New Hire. Here you'll be able to upload your lead list to monitor for new hires. You can upload a CSV, import from a CRM, or use an existing Clay table. Basically a Clay table that you use to generate leads. For this example, let's use a CSV. Here we go, we have our leads uploaded, we have the company name and LinkedIn URL. You click next, select the time frame you want to include new hires within, right? Select the information you want to use and filter out the new hires by it. So for example, maybe you want interns, maybe you want managers, maybe you want CEOs, C-suite, right? CTOs, head of marketing, whatever it is, different locations. You adjust these filters to only include your ICP, right? So for example, let's say only people from the United States, and that's good. Click next. You can edit the frequency of how often you want the automation of enrichment to run. Let's say quarterly. We already have a sample data. As you can see, new hire, Pancash, right? We got their LinkedIn information. You click next. You can add other enrichments like send a message to Slack channel to update, look up the record, or add other enrichment. For example, find the user's email. Let's save it. And once we have this information, what we can do is add an extra column. Of course, you would need to add an email. We can add a column to actually reach out to those new hires as soon as Clay finds them. To do that, all you want to do is click Add Column, Add Enrichment, search a tool called Salesforce, select Add a Lead to Existing Sequence. You can, of course, just push them into the workspace, but let's add a lead to existing sequence. Then go to your Salesforce account, go to settings, go to integrations, go to Clay integration and click get new API key, copy API key, add account, paste the API key, save it, and now you'll be able to map the data. So here you select the workspace you want to push the contacts to. Here you add the email that we would have enriched, right? For this example, let's just say, this is just an example, but you would have it enriched, right? So email, new column, I didn't name it, but here you go. We have all the other variables mapped. And now every time Clay finds a new hire on the list of companies we added, it will push this lead's information into a live sequence in Salesforce, reach out to that new hire, pitch your product or whatever. Now, if you want a full guide on how to actually set up Salesforce and use it to send out thousands of cold emails a day, I suggest you take a look at this video.